If you're new to eBay or worried about getting scammed, this video will show you exactly how to buy safely and avoid common mistakes. eBay is a trusted marketplace, but like any online platform, you need to be careful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to shop smart and protect your money. First, always check the seller's profile before buying anything. Look at their feedback score, number of reviews, and overall rating. A seller with high positive feedback and many completed sales is generally more reliable than a new or poorly rated seller. Next, read the product listing carefully. Pay close attention to the item description, condition, and images. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Make sure the photos are clear and match the description. Another important step is to compare prices. Search for the same product from different sellers. If one listing is significantly cheaper than the others, it could be a red flag. Always use eBay's official payment system. Avoid sellers who ask you to pay outside of eBay using direct bank transfers or other methods. Payments made outside the platform are not protected. Check the return policy before purchasing. A seller who offers returns gives you extra security in case the item is not as described. Also, review the shipping details. Look at estimated delivery times and shipping costs. Be cautious of extremely long delivery times or unclear shipping information. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to message the seller. Ask questions about the product to see how responsive and helpful they are. A trustworthy seller will usually reply clearly and quickly. After purchasing, keep track of your order through eBay's tracking system. If something goes wrong, you can open a case through eBay's Resolution Center. In this tutorial, we learned how to buy on eBay safely by checking seller ratings, reviewing listings, comparing prices, using secure payments, and staying alert for red flags. These simple steps can help you avoid scams and shop with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.